Good day. This is Engineer Michael M. Ramos Jr. And for this video, I will apply what I have learned from the AutoCAD application about layer commands by Dr. Edwin Arboleda. So this is AutoCAD application number 14. And for this application and for this video, we will apply all these command lines, these specific types or names, the colors, and the line type on the layer command. So for applying these commands, we should or we must open our AutoCAD. Okay, once we open our AutoCAD, we will type LA, okay, in our command line or the layer itself, and then let's substitute type all of these properties. Okay, so for our AutoCAD, so we have here this space. So let's type in our command line LA for layer. Once we hit enter, so we have here this dialog box that contains the current layer. So to create a layer, let's press this layer with color yellow, means to say that this is a new layer. Okay, pressing it will create the layer 1. So based on our presentation, our layer 1 is, or the layer name is the property line or the prop ln. So let's type it in capital letters, prop ln. Okay, so hit enter. So this is our layer 1, the prop ln. So the color must be 9. So we have here some of the properties: color, line type, line weight, description, and etc. So for this one, so the color, let's press it. So we have here the index colors. So we could select different colors, but based from our PowerPoint presentation, the color is 9. So our index color is 9, or we should type here 9. Once we press OK, automatically the color will be set to 9. Next one, our L type. So our L type, as you can see, is Phantom 2. So for the L type, this is the line type. So select this or press this. So by default, the line type is continuous. For this, click load to find and select the Phantom. So let's scroll down, find letter P. So we have here Phantom 2 based on the presentation. So press Phantom 2, then hit OK. Then to activate this Phantom 2, let's select it and press OK. So as you can see, the line type is now Phantom 2. And the light weight must be set to 0.25. So the line weight, so by default is default line. So let's press 0.25 mm and then OK. So that is the first layer. The layer name is the prop ln. So let's create another layer for the guideline. So guide ln. So capital guide ln. Okay. So as here you can see, the color is index 8. So this is index 8, or we could type 8 and hit enter or OK. Then we have here the line type, which is continuous. So let's press continuous solid line. OK. And then we have here the value of 0.9 for the line weight. 0.09 millimeter. Okay. So that's easy to create a layer. So next one, third layer, we have here the hatch. So new layer, hatch. Okay. Then we have here the color, which is 7, which is white. Hit enter. So here, continuous. So by default, this continuous. And the light weight is 0.13. So this is 0.13 millimeter. Again, new line. So after hatch, we have here the space W. Okay. Then the color is 8, which is magenta. So 8. Where is 8? So let's type 8. Oh no, 6, sorry. So it is 6. Hit OK. So we have here the color magenta. Continuous, as you can see. And the line weight is 0.18. And hit OK. Okay. Next one, we have here border. So create new line or new layer, sorry. Border. Hit enter. Then The color must be set to number 5 or blue. Okay, so 5 for blue. So continuous, so it is set to continuous. And then the line weight is 0.70. So let's select 0.70 millimeter. Okay, new layer. After border, we have here walls. Hit enter. So the color must be set to 4 or the color cyan. So after generating the walls, continuous. Then right after continuous, we have here the point is 0.40 and hit OK. Okay. Another layer, we have here text. Type text, hit enter. The color of text is green. So press 3 or type 3, hit OK. So automatically the color is green. Then this is continuous also. Okay. Then the line weight is set to be 0.30 and hit OK. Another layer. So after text, we have here templates. I'm sorry. So I generated, so I must delete it. So I have here this layer, so I must delete it again. So we have here border, DW, the guideline, the hatch, the prop LN, the walls. So let's create a new layer. So for the next layer is we have here templates. Templates. So for the templates, the color is 2 or yellow. Hit OK. Then after templates is we have here continuous. Hit OK. And then the point of the templates is 0.18 millimeter. So accidentally, the layers on this point is sorted from alphabetical order. So as you can see, we have here the prop LN, we have here the guideline, we have here the hatch, we have here the DW, we have here the border, we have here the walls, we have here the text, and we have here the templates. Okay, so right after templates, let's create a new layer for dimensions. So dimensions, press enter. Then the color of dimension is 1, which is red. Hit enter. So for this dimensions, the line is continuous and the line weight would be set to 15 millimeters or 0.15. Okay. New layer again. So another one is roof. Hit enter. So for the color of the roof is set to be 1 or red also. Same. The line type is continuous. So this is continuous. And then the light weight is set to 0.13. Then hit OK. Next one, we have here the roof line or roof LN. So let's type roof LN. Hit enter. So the color of the roof LN is red, which is 1. Enter. Then we have here dash T2. So dash 2. So click this line type. Let's select load. Then let's find dash 2. So we have here dash 2. So the same. Click dash 2. Click OK. And then select dash 2 here. Then click OK. So we have here the line type dash 2 for roof LN. And then the line weight is 0.20 millimeter. Okay. And for the last layer, we have here the firewall. So type firewall. Hit enter. So the color is set to be 33. So let's type 33 and hit OK. So we have here the color under index 33. The line type is continuous. So hit OK. And then the line weight is set to 0.40 millimeter. So as you can see, these are all the layers we created. And these layers are now in order. Okay, as you can see. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So based on our presentation, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, we have here also 12 layers. So these are sets of layers applied in this AutoCAD, and this could be applied in our floor plan 2D. So to save this layer, okay, so let's press this AutoCAD icon, then click Save As. So in Save As, so I created a folder for AutoCAD activities. So it is located in my desktop. So desktop, for example, my folder in my CPE. Then I have here AutoCAD activities. So this application 14, so I could rename it as to be floor plan 2D. Okay? So this floor plan 2D is going or will be used for the next topics in creating our floor plan. So hit or click the save button. Then right after the save button, all of the set layers are saved. So we could X this or turn or close this dialog box by clicking this X button. So if we want to see again our floor plan layer or the plan or the layer that we created, so type layer and hit enter. So these are the sets of the layers we created and they are in alphabetical order. Okay? So we have here the name, the color, the line type, and also the light weight. Okay? So these layers will be used for the next activities. Okay? So if you love and like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, Michael RMS, where we apply what we have learned from the academe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and also stay safe.